Au revoir, buenos dias, good morning, salutations, and all that good stuff. It is your baby boomer, Kitty Lane, from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another Create and Relate. This is another answer session. So, thank you very much to Jen Reeves for your question. She asked if I was going to do a tutorial for my, and I hope I'm saying it right, my Balaclava, because it is different than the others that have been made. Jen, to be honest with you, I had not considered it. The reason I had not considered it is because I knew the specific purpose I needed it for. I don't know how many other crocheters are scooter drivers, and you know, their scooter is their main source of transportation, you know, so I do know that my scooter, once I leave this apartment, that's how I get around. And sometimes I do the night travel, and because I don't have the rearview mirrors that I used to have, the ones I had were really cheap, but they serve their purpose for the 4 months I had them. But because I don't have rearview mirrors, I can't really see what's beside and behind me when I wear hoods, because I don't have one close, but the hoods do this, you know, so I can't see without pulling it back, which lots of times means I don't have it on, so my head is not covered. We know that we lose a large part of our body heat through the crown of our heads and the soles of our feet. So wanting to keep that covered and needing something that was form-fitting so that the air wouldn't blow through is how and why I came up with this. Now, if the feedback is great enough, I'm pretty sure I could look at it and work it out and figure out some things here, and we could work on doing a tutorial for this. But that's if I get enough feedback. But Jen, for you, if you would like, we could exchange numbers and do one-on-one videos, and I can show you how I did it. I don't mind sharing. So that's where we are. So like I said, if others would like to see it in a tutorial, let me know. Let me know. I know that I have currently have 7 whips on my hooks and needles. 1 on my needles, 6 on my hooks. And I am planning on starting a crochet along starting in March with Auntie Maureen and Auntie Carrie. So I know the cold season will probably be over by the time I was able to get to it. It's really not hard. So like I said, I wouldn't have a problem dabbling with it, working with it. It would just take me a little time to get to it. I am currently, because this is where my mind is, working on this ice cream garden. You guys, look at the baubles on that. Doesn't that just scream Spanish? I mean, I can see the cantatas and, did I say that right? Cantatas, cantatinas, cantatitas. I don't know. The little finger symbols. You know, the only thing it's missing is like a red, but this would be more like for a little girl, or like before the, I'm getting ready to mess up another one. Quinceañera. That one. And I took Spanish out. It's just one of them days. I'm just saying. So, yes, I'm loving working on this today. This is not going to be the only thing I work on today. I still have the cantala that I want to work on. I got to a point and I got stuck. I know that I do want it to be a certain round repeat, but if I go back to what I really want to start, It's going to be like a 14 round repeat. I know that there are a lot of others out there like me, and anything past like maybe 5 or 6 round repeat tends to get boring, and we'll put it down, which is probably why that is put down. So I need to figure out where I need to go next on that. The sunburst is still over there. I had started writing the pattern down. I don't know where I wrote it. Probably put it in the computer and cleared it out. I do that a lot. And yeah, this is the one that's calling out to me right now. I started on another hat. I have like so many hats around here. And whereas I'll be donating some that didn't look like just quite right to me, I decided to scrap them and make better looking hats. So I'm doing that as well. I'm working on my poncho. I put at least 2 rows on it a day. I will be picking my sweater back up today, and I'll be working on that as well. Hopefully I can get at least a sleeve done down to the elbow. So those are things that I'm working on. I do want to focus a little more in February on market bags. I want to do a lot of market bags. Yeah. So that's where we are. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video, which is going to be a recap of everything that we've done thus far in ASL. And Friday, excuse me, Friday, as far as I know, and as far as I'm working on right now, we will have one more story time from Lyric Lines. So that's what we've got coming up the rest of the month here in the little cove. I like to call mine a cove. It's a cozy cove. So that's what we got going on here in the cozy cove. And yeah, we just don't hibernate here. We don't. We talk, we sip, we nip, we crochet, we knit, we love on each other. Yeah, and we support each other. That's what we do here in the cozy cove. So thank you so much for all of my subscribers. Last I checked, it was 332. And thank you. And supported the channel. The biggest thing you can do to support the channel, the absolute biggest, is please hit those thumbs. Please hit those thumbs. Please comment. Please share. I do answer all comments. So most of the time, you will get either a thumbs up and or a heart and a message. But on rare occasions, you get answers like this. Like I said, thank you so much, Jen. And I do have both of those turtleneck cows. I don't know if you want me to send them to you or Ivy or just hold on to them, but I have them. They're done. Also, other ways that you can support the channel. I am connected with Buy Me a Coffee. And I do love my coffee. Right now, in my cup, I have Folgers 1850 Dark. I love bold, dark, strong coffee. When I put my pod in the Keurig, I hit the button that says strong. I make sure it's on 8 ounces. Sometimes I'll knock it down to 6 to make it taste more like an espresso. And I've cut back on my creamer even. So I'm getting a lot of bold coffee. I do 2 cups in my big cup. It is capable of holding 32 ounces. But I'm only doing 16 ounces of coffee and 3 tablespoons of creamer. So I have reduced. my creamer. I was doing 2.5 tablespoons per cup. So now I'm down to 1.5. Your girl is working on it. Your girl is down 22 pounds. I got on the scale this morning, and you know, I had ballooned all the way back up to 356. And when I got on the scale this morning, I was 334. And I was like, I'm not going back there. Last year when I put it out here and told y'all that I was going to be completely transparent, which I am, I just decided to only share if I was asked. And I wasn't asked. And I got to the point that I got tired of the yo-yo. And it just so happened that right around the time I got tired, I got sick. So it was like a boost inside of a boost. So I know that when I go to my appointment month after next for the paniculectomy, that I will have already met the weight requirement. And your girl is just looking to go ahead on and get the other part done so that I can be comfortable, so that I can stop swelling up in my lower extremities, so that I can take some of the pain off of my back and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm making positive moves, and I'm working on, you know, healing and getting me better, because I want to be here for you guys. I want to be here for me. I want to be here for you guys too. And I really, 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 really want to be here for my family. I've got like the greatest family in the world. I do. So, with love and dignity and honor, I bid thee a good day. I love you guys. Don't forget to love on yourselves, because that is the greatest love of all. And you deserve the greatest love of all. You can't love others the way they deserve to be loved unless you love yourself the way you deserve to be loved. And you do deserve the best. Know that I love you from the bottom of my heart, the depths of my soul. And I always will. So until we see each other again, peace out.